So I just finished building this really cute character. Here's a short video on how he moves, and then I'll show you some close-ups. Alright, here he is, this cute little orange guy. He's extremely light, but my favorite thing about him is actually his teeth. I made these teeth out of a neoprene rubber, so what's really nice about that is they're pretty firm, but they're not so hard that it would hurt like PVC if you are interacting with kids or letting them touch the puppet. But also, they're not like a super soft foam that'll compress or rip off easily, and they're really in there good. They actually are pretty long and go into the root of the skull. So those teeth are not going anywhere. He also has a pretty loose jaw for doing a lot of really neat expressions. And really the thing I like most about him, he's just super cute, isn't he? He's really lovable. I could see him being, especially with the fangs, kind of being like a little bit of a feisty character. You know, someone I showed him to said he looks kind of almost like a fire emoji or something. It's just a coincidence though. But I'm really happy with this guy, and good luck to anyone who's gonna bid on him, and I hope he has a happy home, and can't wait to see what you do with him. I hope you all enjoy this guy. I do have some plans for a couple tutorials coming out in the next couple months. Also, I'm planning an entire new build series. I'll be working on that mostly over the summer, but there will definitely be some more videos between now and then. See you next time.